Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. Viewers, in this video I am going to explain you about soft skills. Viewers, there are a lot of videos available where selected soft skills are explained. But in this video I am going to explain you 30 soft skills in details. And also I am going to explain you what is the difference between hard skill and soft skills, how to develop soft skill, and what are the benefits of soft skills. So watch this video till the end.
First, let us understand soft skills with two definitions. First one is soft skills are personal attributes and abilities that describe how you work and interact with others. Now let us see the second one. Soft skills are desirable qualities that do not depend on acquired knowledge. They include common sense and the ability to deal with people and a positive, flexible attitude. I am going to explain you 30 soft skill one by one. Let us start. Number one, critical thinking. Critical thinking is the process of objectively analyzing information, facts, and evidence to form a sound judgment or conclusion. Number two, teamwork and collaboration. Teamwork typically involves a structured environment with defined roles where individuals complete their assigned tasks to reach a shared outcome, whereas collaboration is a more flexible process focused on brainstorming, sharing ideas, and combining different perspectives to co-create solutions, often with more fluid roles and shared ownership. Number three, creativity. Creativity is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. Number four, innovation. Innovation is the practical implementation of ideas that result in the introduction of new goods or services or improved in offering goods or services. Number five, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive, use, understand, manage, and handle emotion in oneself and others. Number six, adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to changing circumstances, conditions, or environments and being open to change. Number seven, growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication, hard work, and learning. Number eight, networking. Networking is the process of exchanging information to build professional relationships. Number nine, stress management. Stress management or dealing with emotions involves using various techniques like exercise, getting enough sleep, and practicing relaxation exercises such as deep breathing or meditation, and making strategies to manage your overall stress levels, improve how you react to stressful things in your life. Number 10, presentation skills. Presentation skills are the abilities and qualities necessary for creating and delivering a compelling presentation that effectively communicates information and ideas. Number 11, self-management. Self-management skills are abilities that enable individuals to control their thoughts, feelings, and actions to achieve goals. Number 12, curiosity. Curiosity is a quality related to inquisitive thinking such as exploration, investigation, and learning. Number 13, communication skills. Communication skills is the ability to share information, There are different types of communication skills like verbal communication, non-verbal communication, active listening, interpersonal skills, written communication, visual communication. Number 14, time management. Time management is the process of planning and controlling how you spend your time to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. Number 15, leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence and guide a group of people toward a shared goal. Number 16, continuous learning. Continuous learning is the ongoing process of acquiring new skills and knowledge to adapt a change and stay relevant both personally and professionally. Number 17, persistence. Persistence is the voluntary continuation of a goal-directed action despite obstacles, difficulties, or discouragement. Number 18, resilience. Resilience is the capacity to withstand or to recover quickly from difficulties and toughness. Number 19, dependability. Dependability is the quality of being able to be trusted and being very likely to do what people expect. Number 20, public speaking. Public speaking is the art of communicating effectively with a small or large audience. Number 21, problem solving. Problem solving is the act of defining the problem, diagnosing the problem's root cause, identifying and implementing solution, and sustaining results. Number 22, positive attitude. A positive attitude is an optimistic mindset and focuses on finding the good in situations and believing in your ability to overcome challenges. Number 23, patience. Patience is the ability to stay calm and accept a delay or something annoying without complaining. Number 24, professionalism. Professionalism refers to a set of behaviors, attitudes, and values that demonstrate a strong work ethic and respect for others. Number 25, work ethic. Work ethic refers to the moral principles and values that guide a person's behavior in the workplace, emphasizing the importance of hard work, diligence, and professionalism. Number 26, decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing a course of action by evaluating alternatives and weighing potential outcomes to solve a problem or achieve a goal. Number 27, negotiation. Negotiation is a strategic discussion between two or more parties who try to reach an acceptable agreement for all involved. Number 28, empathy. Empathy is generally described as the ability to perceive another person's perspective, to understand, feel, and possibly share and respond to their experience. Number 29, conflict resolution. Conflict resolution is the process of finding a peaceful solution to a disagreement through understanding, perspective, and findings a mutually acceptable compromise. Number 30, flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to adapt to changes, resolve problems, and handle tasks without compromising work quality. So viewers, I hope you have understood 30 soft skills very well. Viewers, now let us understand what is the difference between hard skill and soft skill. Hard skills are the measurable skills acquired through training, education, and practice. They are the abilities needed to perform a specific task or job. Whereas Soft skills are behavioral and interpersonal skills that relate to how effectively people interact with others and handle situations. Few examples of hard skills are computer software knowledge, graphic design, data analysis, project management, marketing, copywriting, computer programming, foreign languages, etc. Now let us understand few examples of soft skills. Communication, teamwork, problem solving, leadership, adaptability, time management, emotional intelligence. Let us now understand how to develop soft skill. There is no single best way to develop soft skill. However, a combination of various methods can help in developing soft skills. Let us understand one by one. Number one, practice active listening. Focus on truly understanding what others are saying without interrupting. This helps in building empathy and stronger relationships. Number two, seek feedback regularly. Ask colleagues, managers, or mentor for feedback on your communication, teamwork, and other soft skills. Use their insights to make conscious improvements. Number three, work on emotional intelligence. Develop a self-awareness and learn to manage your emotions. This will help you navigate complex social situations and be able to connect with others more easily. Number four, improve time management. Prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. Effective time management reduces stress, increases productivity, and helps you to stay better organized. Number five, engage in team projects. Collaborate with others on group tasks, improve your teamwork and interpersonal skills. This also enhances your ability to work with diverse personalities. Number six, enhance communication skills. Practice clear and conscious communication in both written and verbal forms. This will help prevent miscommunication and enable you to become a more effective leader. Number seven, develop problem solving abilities. Break down problems into smaller parts and explore multiple solutions. This will help you tackle different issues in the future, regardless of your job or industry. Number eight, cultivate empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes to understand their perspectives. Number nine, practice public speaking. Engage in activities such as giving presentation or toolbox talk to build confidence in public speaking. Number 10, learn stress management techniques. Practice mindfulness, exercise, or other relaxation techniques to handle stress better. Manage stress helps maintain productivity and can also improve focuses. Now let us understand the benefits of developing soft skills. To maintain good relation, to achieve success in career, professional development. So these are the benefits of developing soft skills.
So viewers, now I hope you have understood what is soft skills. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like this video, share this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. So thank you once again for watching my video.